Here's a look at the outside then. It's only the day after that stormy weather that I filmed the inside video on. It calmed down very nicely. This morning I gave the boat a good wash all that salt off from yesterday. She wasn't actually launched until 2011, Baloo. So she's only spent actually 6 years in the water. She was launched in 2011. The hull was moulded in the late 70s, but she might get a little bit of wind noise now. She was sold twice before she was actually fitted out by somebody between I think it was 2007 and 2011. He actually fitted her out. So the first time she saw any water was in 2011. Underneath the waterline was epoxied and then copper coated before launch. She went down to the south of France in 2012, came back to the UK in 2014, was out of the water again for another 2 years. So yeah, this is only actually her 6th year in the water, which is incredible really. It's almost like a new old stock, Colvic Watson 34. She's in fabulous condition. Really pleased that I found her. It's a 1000-watt windlass there. That's a big storage locker down there. It's got an inflatable dinghy in, amongst other things. I've actually got the hatch open today. Yeah, she's a great boat to live on and go travelling in. I mean, we brought her round from Lowestoft. Took about 26 hours to bring her round from Lowestoft to Brighton. I've been to Chichester with her. That Chichester's only about 40 miles away west. You have to pick your conditions a bit, but you know, you have to pick your conditions with any boat. And she rolls a bit in a heavy sea. Well, any boat rolls a bit in a heavy sea. But yeah, she's a great boat to go travelling in, a great boat to live on. And that's the gas locker there. But yeah, lots of ventilation. All the port lights open, and then 2 hatches that open in the saloon. A big hatch in the fore cabin that opens. Big hatch at the back that opens as well. Yeah, so that's a quick look at Baloo from the outside.